Damn. Are you listening?
Hey YouTube, this is Charlie guys. Today, small home project. We're gonna be installing some closet doors. I have a 6-foot span closet door here. So I'm gonna be using some space-saving folding doors. I like these because when they fold together, they come that thick, probably 3 or 4 inches wide. So they're really good. Unlike the other folding doors, when you open it to the side, they almost about a foot long or 16 inches, depending on how wide your opening is. They take up space. These are space savers. So when you fold them, and I'll show you, they work really good. This one I have right now come 24 by 36 by 80, so 80 foot high, which is a regular size for doors. And it can fold from 24 to 36, so that's perfect. I have 2 of these, so I'm gonna get a 6-foot span. So I've had these in my closet here for years, and unlike the ones that I had before, when you close it, it open up all out here in the passageway. You can see when you close it, it's almost the same width as the wall, so that's perfect. And then with that span here, I have a 5-foot span here. When I pull this, voila, it's closed, and I can pull the other side to meet it, and that's it. So depending on the size you have, and you can use it for any size opening you have, and that's what I like about it. So here it is. It's really simple. It comes in with some 3-foot pieces. You're just gonna screw it up here, and you're just gonna get and just hang it in there. You just push it in, and voila, it's done. So we're gonna open this up. These are a bit different from the ones that I have over there. I didn't realize that. I like that they have those wheels on there, so that's perfect. Really nice, really nice. I'm liking this. So here's the box with all the screws that you need. All your parts is in there. You have your handles, and you have your instructions. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the top part up here. So we're gonna do this up here and just screw it on. After we screw it on, we have 4 clips that goes onto the back of the wall in 4 different places, so that the back of this will lock into the wall here and will stay here secure, so you can slide around. And basically that's it. I'm gonna put it in about 1.5 inches to 1 inch to 1.5 inches up there. So it's about 4 screws. So we're gonna just So guys, it already comes with all the wheels on there, so that's not a biggie. And you just push it into that area up there. Make sure that it's nice and tight. With me, if I don't feel it's secure enough, I give it extra screws. Push it in, and there she goes, guys. And you can see it works really good. So all we have to do now is to put the clips on the wall, clip that back part to here so it always stays secure to the wall. Just like that. And that's it. We're doing our fish strip right here and our runner. I'm gonna measure that to see how much I get. And it's about 2 inches. Well, actually I have 5 clips, so I'm gonna make sure I put one at the top, one at the bottom, and then share the others in between in the center. Put it 2 inches away from the wall to make sure that it's straight with this top here. Or you can just take a level and level it down. But it's all good. The first clip I'm gonna put is at the top. So here we go. I have 1 clip up here. I'm gonna put 1 clip at the bottom and put my 5 clips, and we should be good. So we have all our clips, and we're good to go. So now all we're gonna do is to take that part and just basically just like that. Just snap into place, and you do that all 5 places. So now guys, you can see it slides into the corner, just like that. Slide out, and that part will hold it onto the wall, and that's it. You basically have, if if you had a 3-foot door right here, if you had a 3-foot opening, you basically have it there. You put your handle on there. Because I'm doing two sides, what I'm gonna do is this side here with that little edge here goes to the wall. So I'm gonna put this one in on this side. So I'm gonna hang this one here so that when I put this up in here, so when I screw this up in here, I'll just slide it over. Now from past experience, I think I've said it before, if you feel when you put it, it's a bit flimsy, the screws not long enough and it didn't go into the 2x4, put some longer screws in there. It's gonna be all the way up inside, so it's not gonna affect your wheels when they're rolling. Now I can pull this one across and it comes on that side. I'm gonna put the clips on that side, and then we basically almost home. All our clips in place, going all the way down. So we have all our clips in place, and now we're just gonna snap this in, and it's good to go. Clips in place, so we're just gonna bring this in. You see the clip right up here. Let's go right over it and just snap it in place. Same thing with this one right here. We're just gonna bring it right, snap it in place. So this is really nice. I'm liking this. It feels pretty good. There's a little bit of play here, so that's really good. Normally on the other ones that I've installed before, there's a magnetic strip that goes there that is tapped together, but this one doesn't have that. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and figure out. I think this goes. You screw this on the side here. Like that. So right now I'm just centering it and screwing it down. Okay, so we have that all screwed all in place. And we can bring that together like this. And all we need now, so we're gonna use those clips here.
Damn. Are you listening?